إنما الخلف الطيب منهم من اقتفى أثر السلف. هذا هو الطيب منهم.
He said Allah alone grants success, and His aid alone is sought to attain all that is good and repel all that is evil. There's a benefit in that. Ikhwan, some people are looking for happiness in the wrong place. Happiness, Allah Azza wa Jal, only Allah can make you happy, and only Allah Azza wa Jal can make you sad. Allah alone is the one who grants success. Allah Azza wa Jal said in the Quran, وَأَنَّهُ هُوَ أَضْحَكَ وَأَبْكَى. It is Allah Azza wa Jal that makes the people laugh and He makes others weep. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He causes people to die and He is the one who gives them life. So therefore, if you're looking for happiness, where should you look for happiness? You should seek happiness from Allah Azza wa Jal. Sisters, stop marrying people thinking that that person is going to be your happiness. Because if the marriage fails, then what? Happiness goes out the window. Likewise, brothers, men, looking for others, that woman, she's going to be my happiness in my life. No, happiness starts that you seek it from Allah Azza wa Jal. And that's what sometimes leads to misery. Some people, they're looking for happiness in the wrong place. Firstly, seek happiness from Allah Azza wa Jal. Now, and if Allah blesses you to be happy, it's possible that you can help make other people happy. But miserable people make others miserable. An important point. Don't look for anyone else to give you happiness. Seek it from Allah alone. Allah is the one who grants success. وَأَنَّهُ هُوَ أَضْحَكَ وَأَبْكَى. Allah makes people laugh. Allah Azza wa Jalla is the one who makes some people cry. Seek happiness from Allah Azza wa Jalla. إِذَا اسْتَعَنْتَ فَاسْتَعِنْ بِاللَّهِ. If you seek aid only from Allah. If you ask only of Allah. If you have that mentality, ikhwan, you will be happy regardless.